MCZ House by NIU Arquitetura e Construção in CRISTAIS Paulista, Brazil. The MCZ house was designed with the premise that all areas of the house should open up to the view. From the garage, through the entire social and gourmet area, to the office and suites, the owners should have a view of the garden and the horizon. Taking advantage of the nearly 50 m width of the plot, the single block of the house was created, parallel to the access street and the backyard garden. This also allowed for the absence of walls in the front part of the house, as is common in most local residences. This layout also enabled a more suitable relationship between the house and the topography. Due to the slope from the front to the back of the plot, avoiding a perpendicular construction brought ease of execution and savings in topographical movement. There is an interesting contrast between the front and back of the house. While the facade, composed of heavy elements, is closed, providing privacy to the owners, the rear part already features the lightness of the inclined eaves and fully opens up to leisure. Natural materials were also a crucial premise for this project. They were meant to bring the warmth and atmosphere of a country house. The stone, brises, concrete, wood, and ceramic coatings chosen were designed to bring beauty without forgetting the need for easy maintenance for all areas. The garden ends up becoming the protagonist. All choices of plant species and the best locations to place them only served to further enhance the house, creating a scenario that embraces the built work. In the end, there is a doubt as to whether the garden belongs to the house or if the house ends up being just another detail of the garden.